Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the UTeach Consult Diaries. Today we are going to look at how to use wildcards in Excel VLOOKUP and SUMIFs. This is a question posed by one of our followers. There are transactions which has really occurred, and in the transaction code we have numbers before the items, and after the numbers we also have some codes after it, and you have the amount. Now assuming that this is a large data and you really want to find the amount for each of the items in the transaction code, how will that be done? We use the VLOOKUP function. So in the amount column we have VLOOKUP, so we use equal to VLOOKUP. So we use the inverted comma, asterisk, we close, we use the ampersand, we select our item watches, we use the ampersand, inverted comma, open, we use the asterisk, we close the inverted comma, so that will be our item, within which array, our transaction array. So we select that and we block with F4, comma, we want the amount, so that will be in the second column 2, exact, that's 0, we close it. Automatically we get the price or the amount for watches, and you can see that in watches where we have the transaction code, the amount is 14,340. Quickly you can drag this down and that will really populate for the rest of the items, and you can see for shirt also.
If you want more of these Excel videos, please click on the big red subscribe button below the videos to subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification icon bell to get notified when new videos are published.
In the same way, if you want to find the sum transaction for all these items, so we have a transaction code, this has really occurred, and we want to use the SUMIF to find the sum or the total sales amount for each of the items, which is teddy bears, skirts, shoes and shirts. We use the SUMIF function equal to SUMIFs. We open our parentheses, the sum range, we select the range, we block it with F4, comma, then we select the criteria range. The criteria range is where we have the transaction code. We select the range, we block that one also, comma, what's our criteria? Our criteria is where we use the asterisk, we open the inverted comma, asterisk, we close, we use the ampersand. We want to find for watches, we use the ampersand again, asterisk, we close the inverted commas, we close our parentheses, then we enter, voila. So we get the sum amount for the watches, for the teddy bear, for the skirt, shoes and shirts. And you can verify this by really summing for each of the items. You see that the total sum for the watches will be 46,000 and teddy bear will be 14, and that goes for the rest of the items. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on UTeach Consult Diaries. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.